Searching for a trusted Ford Everest service center? Well, my Ford Everest Trend 2016 model has reached 120,000 kilometers in 10 years. And guess what? How do I keep it running smoothly and with no problems at all? After 5 years, I've been taking it here at GM Dunamis Ford Specialist. Check this out. Alright, so we are now in front of my vehicle and I'm here with Nico from GM Dunamis. So, pare, anong gagawin natin? 120,000 na. By the way, our last video was 70,000 kilometers. It's one of the places I learned about from being a Ford. And now we're at 120,000. And sobrang ganda pa rin ng, ng andar niya. Kasi di ba after 5 years, pinagawa ko na dito sa inyo. Still running smoothly. Tapos sabi ko, kailangan ng PMS, tsaka yung hydraulics ko, wala na.
Sira na, sir.
Ito.
Opo.
So, i-replace nyo, no?
Yes, sir.
Tapos pati yung likod. Tapos may lagatok. Sinabi ko may lagatok sa front, right side, yung driver side dito. So, Nico,
Yes, sir. Ayun, sir. Bali, ang gagawin po muna natin ngayon, sir, PMS po.
PMS, yes.
Opo, sir. Ito, sir, pakita ko po muna sa inyo yung mga filters natin, sir.
Oh, ito yung filters nila.
Opo, sir. Ito yung cabin filter natin, sir. Aircon filter.
Oo.
Palitin na po siya, sir. Marumi na po siya, sir.
Yeah. So,
Dapat po kasi, sir, maputi. Hindi po ganyan yung kulay. Kumbaga, maitim na po.
Yeah.
Dito naman po, sir. Ito naman po yung air filter natin, sir.
Dumi
Palitin na rin po,
sobrang
sir.
dumi na.
Opo, dapat ganito ang kulay niya, sir.
Ganito.
Ngayon, ito na, sir.
Ganyan.
Wala na po.
This is what I like about here in GM Dunamis. They really show you everything. So, at the same time, natututo ka as a car owner, ano nangyayari sa kotse mo. Hindi lang yung paggawa mo tapos
lang,
wala. So ito, tuturuan ka. Thank you.
Okay po, sir. Tapos, sir, yung naman natin, sir, yung fuel filter, tsaka yung oil filter, sir, automatic naman tayo, sir.
Automatic
Palit
na.
naman tayo doon.
Okay.
Brake fluid natin, sir. Ito, sir. Okay pa naman. Nasa max pa naman po.
Okay.
Yung coolant natin, sir. Mababa po yung coolant natin, sir.
Hala, okay.
Magdagdag lang sana tayo na
Yes.
1 liter lang po,
Okay.
sir.
Okay.
Tapos dito naman tayo sa langis, sir. Pakita lang namin, sir. Itong langis natin, sir, medyo maitim na.
Oh.
Pero pag drain natin, sir, double check natin kung
Okay.
kailangan siya i-carbon cleaning, sir.
Okay. So they're gonna check that. Here we go.
Ayan po, sir. Sa ngayon, yun lang naman po.
Okay.
Tapos
Thank
yung
you.
sa hydraulic po, ayan, sir.
Papalitan
Check
na.
po muna natin, sir, kung ilan po yung kailangan natin palitan.
Yes.
Ito po kasi, sir, kadalasan naman po, sir, isa lang naman po yung nasisira dyan, sir.
Talaga. Okay.
Pati
Pero
naman,
yung likod, grabe.
ganun din, sir.
Nakakatakot yung plan.
Check din po muna natin.
Yung lagotok, after na.
Pag angat po nun sa sakyan, sir, doon
makikita
pa lang
niya.
natin ma-check yung buong pang-ilalim.
Super.
Kasi sa mga brakes po, sir, ganun din. Tatanggalin naman natin yung gulong, tatawagin na lang po ulit namin, guys.
Thank you, Nico.
Sige po, sir.
So, anong ginagawa nila ngayon?
Ngayon, sir, ang ginagawa po natin, sir, tinatanggal natin yung brake pads para makita po natin yung pinaka-kapal ng brake pads natin. Tapos, i-cleaning din po natin yung sa brakes natin. Harap likod po yung gagawin natin. Tapos ngayon po, i-check din po natin yung pang-ilalim naman po.
Yung lagotok sa little bit of a noisy metal sound on the front driver's side.
Ito po yung brake pads natin sa harap. Okay pa naman po, makapal pa po siya. Cleaning lang po yung gagawin natin.
Sure. Excellent.
Ito naman po, yung sa likod natin, ganun din po, makapal pa po yung brake pads natin. So, cleaning lang din po yung gagawin natin. Yung rotor disc naman po natin, okay pa naman po, wala naman po tama. Cleaning lang din po yung
Cleaning
gagawin
tayo.
natin. Ngayon po, ang isusunod natin yung kabilang side, ganun din po yung process natin. Check din po, tanggal brake pads, tapos sa pang-ilalim, check na lang po tayo. Okay. Ngayon, chinek na po natin yung pang-ilalim. Ang nakita po natin yung UCA, upper control arm. Ngayon po, kailangan natin siyang baklasin. Kung ang papalitan po ba natin yung bushing lang or assembly po. Kailangan po muna natin kasi siyang baklasin para makita natin kung ano po yung kailangan palitan po. Tapos yung stabilizer po, tsaka yung tie rod rack end po, palitin na rin po siya. May alog na rin po siya. Ayan po. Bali, kung sakali po, kung magpapalit man po tayo, left and right po yung papalitan natin. Ito po, ngayon, nabaklas na po natin siya. Okay pa naman po yung ball joint. Dito tayo bumabas kung papalitan natin siya ng assembly or bushing lang po. Ngayon, okay pa naman po yung ball joint natin. So, bushing lang po yung kailangan natin palitan.
Oh, thank you, Lord. May pwede ba akong kumain? Thank you. These guys are the best. You know, if you go to other places, as you know, I mean, you know, we've had experiences in other service centers. They'll charge you for the whole thing, even though it's just a little thing, right? So right now, they're just gonna change those parts because these guys are experts and they really look at you know how your vehicle moves. So I'm learning a lot too, but I don't want to get my hands dirty. I'd rather pay these guys who are experts to do the job. And we are done, and I'd like to thank Boss Glenn. Boss Glenn, we've known each other for over 5 years now.
I think it's already been 7, I think. 7 years, yes.
7 years.
Actually, we've been catering for it. By the way, guys, if you don't know me yet, I am Glenn. I'm the owner of Tsunami. We've catered for the last 8, 7, 10 years na Ford vehicles. Lalo na yung kay Sir Blake.
Yeah,
Kay Sir Blake.
yeah.
Sir Blake car, imagine 120,000 kilometers
120.
120,000 kilometers, but it still runs like brand new.
Thank you, brother. Thank you so much. So they did the PMS, 120,000, and then after that, I think may ingay dito, may kalog. Kaya pinalitan nila yung...
Maliban sa upper control arm boosting, nagpalit din kami ng rubber damper. Pero imagine, tumagal siya. Anong year model to, Sir Blake? I think this
2016.
2016. So if this is a 10-year-old car, ngayon pa lang tayo nagpalit ng
Yeah.
rubber boosting mo.
Yeah.
Testament lang yan na unang-una, siyempre, si Sir Blake, maingat na driver. Unang-unang testament niya, maingat na driver para tumagal, di ba?
Yeah.
And then secondly, Ford vehicles talaga, they are really built tough.
Yes, absolutely. And I just want to say, and thank Boss Glenn kasi may mga ibang service centers, papalitan lahat kaagad. So yung maganda, yung crew ni Boss Glenn, pinakita sa akin. Tapos chinek nila, ay sir, ito lang papalitan, hindi yung buong ano. So that's what I really like. They explain everything. I'm learning more about my vehicle. And it's been 7 years. And you guys can see the video when it was 70,000, when Boss Glenn hooked us up. And then, you know, fixed up the car. And now 120,000. So, thank you, Boss Glenn.
Thank you for trusting Dunamis.
Always, I'll keep
You're
coming
great.
back.
Thank you
And then
very
I'll be
much.
bringing my Wild Track, I think 2 more years para tapos na yung warranty ng Ford. Dito na ako with our Wild Track also, and always with the Everest.
Your Wild Track is a 2.0, right?
Yes, yes.
O nga pala, Sir Blake, gentle reminder, Sir Blake, not just for you, all Wild Track owners out there. Number 1, huwag kayong gagamit basta-basta ng langis when it comes sa Wild Track kasi wet belt system siya. If you use other than the specified Ford oil, which is 913D, no? Tendency, magkakaroon ng premature wear yung timing belt niya. Pag nagkaroon ng premature wear yan, pwedeng mag-break yan earlier than expected. Kaya, Sir Blake, always use Ford specified oil for your 2.0. Hindi lang kay Sir Blake, lahat na naka-Wild Track, lahat na naka 2.0 na Ford vehicles. 913D for the diesel. Yun lang, guys.
So all the Ford, Everest, and even Wild Track, if you guys are looking for a trusted service center, definitely here at GM Dunamis with Boss Glenn. And they have a new location and it's so big, it's so nice. Hindi ko na gawa yung massage chair. But thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you then for trusting Dunamis.
I trust my Dunamis. And by the way, this is not a sponsored video. Once again, this is not a sponsored video, so please subscribe, like, and leave us a comment, and do share this to support our channel. Thank you.